Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone is awake and unlocked with your PIN or an enrolled fingerprint. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, then go to Passwords and Security or Lock Screen and Password depending on your MIUI build. Tap Fingerprint Unlock to see registered fingerprints. You need access to this screen so you can change animation options. This is the exact place MIUI keeps biometric appearance settings and related toggles. Once on the fingerprint page, look for fingerprint animation or fingerprint effect. Different MIUI versions label it slightly differently. Tap that option to open a gallery of animations, then preview them by touching each thumbnail so you can see the visual and duration. You apply one by tapping Set or Done. Make sure to test by locking the screen and using the fingerprint sensor. If you do not see animations, check your MIUI version, as some older builds hide this under experimental or additional settings. You finish by locking the phone and testing the in-display sensor to confirm the new animation appears when you authenticate. If the animation does not show, reboot the phone first and retest, because a restart often resolves temporary UI glitches. If problems continue, clear system cache or re-register the fingerprint and make sure MIUI is up to date. The key troubleshooting tip: if animations still fail after updates, re-registering the fingerprint usually restores animation visibility without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.